Bayangena, bayaphuma, bayaphithizela, bayasaba magwala. Eric Tinkler has been appointed as the new head coach in Ghana, the new head coach of the Giants of Ghana, Asante Kotoko. A club that you would remember that Jabupule would score from the center as they are playing that Vodacom Challenge in the early 2000s. Asante Kotoko had just played in South Africa a few months ago in the CAF Confederations Cup, a two-time African Champions Cup, one of the biggest teams in Africa. Asante Kotoko. Eric Tinkler, the former Orlando Pirates coach, the former Maritzburg coach, a former SuperSport United coach, did wonderful things with Orlando Pirates in the CAF Champions League as a runners-up, just lost in the final. That is in Eric Tinkler. Eric Tinkler did some good job with Cape Town City. This is the Eric Tinkler who would go on with Bafana to France in 1998 and was part of the team of Joe Mosono in 2002 in South Korea and Japan, the Korea-Japan, which was won by Brazil. And Ronaldo, number 9, would become the top goal scorer of that particular tournament. That is Ronaldo, number 9, with 9 goals, by the way. Ladies and gentlemen, the issue here is very simple. Eric Tinkler, just after we have announced that we have spoken about Rulani Mokwena, Eric Tinkler, following in the footsteps of Rulani Mokwena, following in the footsteps of Peter Musimane, following around Steve Barker, following around Fadlu Davids, following around Manqoba Mngqithi, Eric Tinkler joins Asante Kotoko in Ghana, not in Zambia, in Ghana. And that's where he will be leading that team as the head coach. Eric Tinkler, all the best, sir. All the best. Rise the flag, Eric Tinkler. You deserve it. Bafwetu, South African football everywhere. Around, and around.